Hey, it's Dr. Trish Leigh, and today I want to talk to you about how to make your own luck. So I have 3 tips for you based on brain science so you can begin to get luckier each and every day. Okay, number 1 is visualize stepping stones to your success. So neuroscience shows when you visualize in your mind and then when you write it down and draw it, that can solidify it in your brain pathways. So when you are striving to achieve a goal, see it happening for yourself. I do this all the time, and I find it to be incredibly powerful. It goes along with the second tip, which is look for opportunities to be lucky. I always assume that luck is on my side. So I find pennies, dimes, quarters all the time. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. We all find change sometimes. Whenever I find the change, I think of it as abundance coming my way. And no joke, not too long ago, I found $100, a $100 bill in a parking lot. So I assume I'm gonna find money, and guess what? I do. The last one is just relax. Literally, when you use the brain pattern of stress and anxiety, too much high beta, that will repel luck. It's shown to repel people from you and opportunities. People can feel it on you even if you're not acting stressful. Brains attune to each other. Nobody wants to be around anybody who's super stressed out and even trying to hold it in. So just actually relax into it and your luck will start to unfold for you. Okay, check out the tips on my blog post at drtrishleigh.com, and remember, control your brain or it will control you.